Here on my workbench is a Coby CD boombox with detachable speakers. There's a few problems with it. On the radio and tape player, the sound is crackly, cuts in and out. There's no sound at all on the CD. The FM radio reception is poor, but that's because of the broken whip antenna. Let's get this thing cracked open and let's see what we can do with it. Takes some fiddling with the function switch to get anything to play. We'll try cleaning the switch and see if that gets it to work. Well, after opening the thing up, the mode switches are buried deep down in there, but I think I can get in there with the contact cleaner and see if I can spray this thing out. I'm going to spray the band switch first because I can get to that easiest. And just work it in. Now after removing the screws to hold this circuit board, something's still holding it in. Isn't that always the way? I think it's just the knobs. So, and I can't see how to pull them out either. Okay. So after cleaning the switches, I have the unit put together to the point I can turn it on. Let's see if it will play for us. No cutting in and out. Plays for good. And they're all nice and radio comes in nice and clear. But as for the CD, let's try that too. Spinning up. Okay, so the CD player has read our table of contents, so let's push play. Oh, sounds good. I think I can call this a success. So one last problem with the Coby boombox is the broken antenna, which leads to poor FM reception. Lacking a replacement whip antenna, I have to improvise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this single strand solid communications wire that the telephone company here generously leaves around every service box in. So I'll just weave it in around the cooling vents. No worry about excessive heat, no tubes, no Prescott Core Pentium 4 processor. And that should give us our good reception on local stations. So this was a real easy project. Replace an antenna, clean a few switches. And now something that somebody was going to leave to the trash or to one of those e-waste programs is now my radio I listen to while barbecuing. I got some batteries, so it'll keep me informed in case of emergency. And that's the value you get when you don't pitch it, but fix it. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again real soon with another project. Thanks for watching.